Baby-proofing your home is an essential step in ensuring your child's safety, and the bathroom is one of the most critical areas to focus on. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make this space as safe as possible for your little one. Here are some essential tips to help you along the way. Start by securing all cabinets and drawers with child-proof locks. Bathrooms often contain cleaning supplies, medications, and other hazardous items that should be kept out of reach. Consider installing a toilet lock to prevent curious hands from exploring the toilet bowl. Next, ensure that all electrical outlets are covered with safety plugs. Water and electricity are a dangerous combination, so it's crucial to minimize any risks. Keep electrical appliances like hair dryers and razors unplugged and stored away when not in use. Bath time can be a fun experience, but it's important to make it safe. Use a non-slip mat in the bathtub to prevent slips and falls. Always check the water temperature before placing your baby in the tub. It should be warm, not hot, to avoid burns. A bath thermometer can be a helpful tool to ensure the water is just right. Remember to keep the bathroom door closed when not in use. This simple step can prevent your child from wandering into the bathroom unsupervised. Consider installing a doorknob cover to make it harder for little hands to open the door. Lastly, never leave your child unattended in the bathroom, even for a moment. Accidents can happen quickly, so always stay within arm's reach during bath time or when your child is in the bathroom. Baby-proofing your bathroom is a crucial part of creating a safe environment for your child. With a few precautions and some vigilance, you can ensure that this space is as secure as possible for your little one.